Hey everybody, it's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. It's June 13th. Today is a good day. The new Outlanders are finally here. We've been waiting for the Outlanders for a long time. As you know, well maybe you don't, but if you follow our YouTube channel, you probably saw that I was out at the launch of the new Outlander, and we are going to sell a ton of them. What do I love about the new Outlander? The main thing is right when you sit on it, it's comfortable, all that's great, but no heat on your legs. Every four-wheeler out there, you get a lot of heat on your legs, right? And with this new Outlander, it's not gonna happen. So I'm stoked. We're gonna do some unboxing videos, if you will. We've got a bunch of these already sold. If you're looking for the new Outlander, give us a call, 435-427-3338. Call or text that number. You can also check us out on the web at bigpinesports.com. But today's a good day. It's about ready to downpour. As you see, I'm getting wet right now. Hopefully the camera's not all jacked up with water spots, but oh well, we'll roll with it at Big Pine style, right? So here we go. Outlanders are making their arrival. Finally. Thank you, Can-Am, for building the great ATV. I'm excited to see what this thing will do. We do have accessories already in stock. Have a great day, everybody.